Tai To Learns at the Dairy Farm. Tai To Monkey Adventures.
Hello, little friends! Today, our monkey friend Tai To is visiting a beautiful dairy farm to learn how to work like a real farmer. Tai To will milk the cows, feed them, clean the barn, and discover many exciting things about life on the farm. Let's join him and see what fun lessons he learns today. Tai To arrives at the dairy farm under the golden sunrise. He sees green fields, cows grazing peacefully, and farmers working. Tai To waves excitedly and says, "Wow! So many cows. Today I'll learn to be a real farm worker." A friendly farmer greets Tai To and gives him a small hat and gloves. He says, "Welcome, little helper. Let's start our day." Tai To smiles proudly and nods. Tai To carries a basket of fresh green grass and feeds the cows. The cows moo happily. Tai To laughs. "Heh, you're all so hungry." The farmer shows Tai To how to clean the barn with a broom and water hose. Tai To works hard, sweeping and spraying water. The floor becomes shiny clean. The farmer teaches Tai To gently squeeze the cow's udder into a bucket. Tai To carefully tries and cheers. Wow! Milk is coming out. Tai To helps pour the fresh milk into a large stainless steel machine. He watches as the machine spins and filters the milk. "So cool! This is how clean milk is made," he says. Tai To carries a bucket of water and fills the cows' drinking troughs. The cows happily drink and nod. After work, Tai To sits under a tree with the cows resting nearby. He gently pats a cow's head and smiles. Tai To thanks the farmer. "Thank you for teaching me. Farm work is hard but fun." The farmer laughs. "You did great today." As the sun sets, Tai To waves goodbye to the cows and farmer. He says, "I learned a lot today. Hard work makes me happy." He walks home with a proud smile. Wow! Today, Tai To learned so many useful things at the dairy farm. Milking cows, feeding them, and cleaning the barn isn't easy, but it's fun and meaningful, right? Remember, kids, when we work hard, we learn to understand and love nature more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support Tai To.
See you again in the next adventure.